YouTube, what's going on? So today I'm going to be taking apart my front subframe. I'm going to be taking the motor off of it. I'm going to be taking control arms, tie rods, all that stuff off. And I'm going to be getting that all sanded down and cleaned up so I can get that painted. So I did also get I ordered my slave cylinder and throwout bearing for the transmission. And then I just gotta wait on that. Probably be here next week so I can get all that stuff put back together. Then after that, I don't know what I want to do. I kind of want to clean this engine bay up. There's rust and it's just really dirty. Motor's already out. I know that if I don't do it now, then I probably never will do it because I don't want to take this motor out of the car. I just kind of want to drive it. So we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, I'm going to start taking this apart. So I got the subframe out. I cleaned up all the grime and stuff, or the majority of it. So I'm going to start sanding and pretty much get it ready. I'm gonna put like tractor implement paint on it versus doing like a rattle can or something like that. I've done that before on subframes, and you don't have to get it perfect and stuff like that. Just get the majority of the rust off and paint and get it sanded down pretty good, and it should last for a good while. So I got the majority of everything cleaned up. I'm gonna just paint one side at a time and then see how that goes. I'll paint this bottom side and then I'll flip it over and then sand and do all that stuff once it's all dried. I really don't want to hang it or anything like that. I did that last time and paint got all over the floor, so let's get to painting. Not perfect, but It works. I really like this. I really like using this tractor implement paint because it's tough as nails, and it goes on pretty good. Once it dries, it's decent, especially for anything that's underbody. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'll flip it over and get everything else sanded out. But that's probably gonna be it for this one. It's gonna take too long to dry, and I don't really feel like waiting that long. So